Hey my loves, I'm so excited to have you here with me today. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our beauty community. Today we're diving into something really close to my heart, skincare. It's all about taking care of yourself and feeling confident in your own skin. We all dream of achieving that radiant, lit from within glow, right? Well, I'm here to help you make that dream a reality. Welcome to your ultimate guide for achieving a radiant glow with a daily beauty routine. We'll cover everything from cleansing to moisturizing. Trust me, it's not as complicated as you might think. With the right products and techniques, you can transform your skin. We're going to break it down step by step so you can create a routine that works best for your skin. Whether you're a beginner or a skincare pro, there's something here for everyone. Follow these steps to enhance your natural beauty and promote healthy skin. You'll be amazed at the difference a consistent routine can make. Get ready to glow from the inside out. Let's get started on this journey to beautiful, radiant skin together. Alright, let's start with the most important step, cleansing. This is the foundation of any good skincare routine, and it's crucial to get it right. Think of this as the foundation of your entire routine. A good cleanser removes dirt, oil and makeup, setting the stage for the rest of your products to work effectively. In the morning, we want to gently wash away any impurities that might have built up overnight. This helps to refresh your skin and prepare it for the day ahead. You want something that leaves your skin feeling clean and refreshed, not stripped or tight. A good cleanser should maintain your skin's natural balance. My go-to is a gentle foaming cleanser, but if you have drier skin, a creamy cleanser might be your best friend. It's all about finding what works best for your skin type. And remember, always look for products with natural ingredients. These are less likely to irritate your skin and can provide additional benefits. We want to nourish our skin, not strip it of its natural oils. A well-chosen cleanser can make all the difference in achieving that healthy, glowing complexion. Now that our skin is squeaky clean, let's talk about toner. This often overlooked step can be a game changer in your skincare routine. A lot of people skip this step, but trust me, it makes a world of difference. Skipping toner can leave your skin unbalanced and less receptive to other products. A good toner helps to balance your skin's pH levels and preps it for all the amazing products we're going to layer on top. It acts as a primer, ensuring better absorption and effectiveness. Look for toners with soothing ingredients like rose water or chamomile. These natural ingredients not only balance your skin, but also provide a calming effect. They're like a calming hug for your skin. Imagine ending your day with a gentle, soothing touch that leaves your skin feeling refreshed and balanced. Just apply a little bit to a cotton pad and gently sweep it across your face. This simple step can make a huge difference in how your skin feels and looks. Now let's talk about serums. These are the powerhouse products that really target specific skin concerns. And when it comes to achieving that radiant glow, vitamin C serum is a game changer. It's like a magic potion for your skin. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps to brighten the skin, even out skin tone, and protect against environmental damage. Just a few drops every morning will make a huge difference over time. Next up, moisturizer. Never underestimate the power of a good moisturizer. It's like giving your skin a tall drink of water. Look for a lightweight moisturizer that hydrates without feeling greasy. Hyaluronic acid is a fantastic ingredient to look for because it attracts and holds moisture like a magnet. Apply it all over your face and neck for that plump, dewy finish. Now this step is non-negotiable, my loves. Sunscreen. I cannot stress this enough. Rain or shine, summer or winter, sunscreen is a must. It protects your skin from harmful UV rays, which are one of the biggest culprits of premature aging. Look for a broad spectrum SPF of at least 30 and apply it generously as the last step in your morning skincare routine. Now, if you're planning on wearing makeup, a primer is a great way to create a smooth and flawless base. I personally love illuminating primers because they give the skin that extra boost of radiance. It's like a soft, subtle glow that shines through your makeup. All right, my loves, let's talk about our evening skincare routine. After a long day, our skin deserves a little extra TLC, and that starts with a double cleanse. This two-step cleansing method ensures that we remove every trace of makeup, dirt, and impurities that have accumulated throughout the day. Now, a couple of times a week, it's time to exfoliate. Exfoliating helps to remove dead skin cells that can make our complexion look dull and tired. You can use a gentle exfoliating toner or a scrub. Just be sure to be gentle and avoid any harsh scrubbing. If you have any specific skin concerns like dark spots, acne scars, or fine lines, now is the time to apply a targeted treatment product. There are so many amazing serums and creams out there that address specific concerns. Now is time to nourish our skin while we sleep. A rich, nourishing night cream is essential for replenishing moisture and supporting skin repair. Look for creams that are packed with peptides, antioxidants, and other skin-loving ingredients. Let's not forget about the delicate skin around our eyes. The under eye area is prone to dryness, fine lines, and puffiness. Applying a hydrating and brightening eye cream every night can make a world of difference. Look for ingredients like caffeine or retinol, which can help to reduce puffiness and brighten dark circles. And finally, if you want to take your nighttime skincare routine to the next level, finish with a few drops of facial oil. Facial oils are like a tall drink of water for your skin. They deeply nourish and hydrate, leaving your complexion looking plump and radiant. And there you have it, my loves, my ultimate daily beauty routine for achieving that radiant glow. Remember, consistency is key to achieving and maintaining a radiant glow. Make these steps a part of your daily ritual and you'll start to see and feel the difference. Stay hydrated, eat a balanced diet, and make time for regular self-care. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips. Until next time, stay gorgeous.